Hello everyone, welcome to my channel God's Own Vlogger. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking the video.
Today we are going to talk about the entry of Husqvarna motorcycles into Indian market by BAJAJ automobiles. In 2017, BAJAJ Auto and KTM had announced the global rollout of Husqvarna motorcycles. Recently, talking to an online media publication, Rakesh Sharma, executive director, BAJAJ Auto Limited confirmed that the Husqvarna brand will enter India in the first week of December 2019. The Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 and Husqvarna Vitpilen 401 will be the first two bikes from the Sweden-based bike maker in India. Both motorcycles are reported to be sold via KTM dealerships. Deliveries of the models will begin from January or February 2020. Prices of the Husqvarna Twin are likely to fall in the range of 2.8 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees. Prior to its official launch, select dealers have started taking pre-orders for the new Husqvarna bikes. Interested buyers can place an order by paying a token sum of 5,000 rupees. While the Husqvarna Vitpilen 401 is a neo-retro cafe racer, the Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 is a scrambler. Both bikes use a 373.2cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine sourced from the KTM Duke 390. Paired to 6-speed gearbox, it delivers power worth 43 bhp and 37 Nm of torque. The Husqvarna Vitpilen 401 has been built on the KTM Duke 390 platform. The bike carries aggressive stance with elements such as circular LED headlamp with LED DRLs, sculpted fuel tank, single-piece seat and clip-on handlebars. The bike has a narrow tail section with LED taillamp and a side-slung exhaust. There is a digital multifunctional instrument cluster with LCD display.
For more information, check the description box. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking the video.